I am Sherry Derseweh. I'm a proud founder since 8/2/2018 in Onpassive. Shared moments. That is what is important in life. Shared moments. Do you have a lot of them? Do you lack them? Life is made of specially shared moments. Do you lack them because you work so much, travel too much, time to go to work and back? Do you lack money to have a special life experiences that you have always wanted with your loved ones and friends? Does your heart break because you can't seem to get a break and have those special life experiences? Why have something that can heal your heartbreak on both the time and money you may have lacked? This is a never before, never again in your lifetime opportunity that will never come again. A company that guarantees your success so you can have time back and money you need. Onpassive gives you just that. Onpassive is an internet company that uses AI, which is artificial intelligence, which does the work for you. It also has real tangible products that are in high demand. Onpassive gives you great value for a lesser price. You do not have to find people. You do not have to call people. It uses this targeted traffic. It follows up for you. It closes for you. If you are a business owner, it will help your business grow and save you time and money. So grab this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity now before the train leaves the station and it is too late. It costs $97 plus the $5 card fee to reserve your seat in a quadrillion-dollar company. Then you will have time and money to have shared experiences, live stress-free, make your heart full of those special moments you have wanted to do with your loved ones and friends. Look, right now, your life is way too special not to have shared moments. So take the action now and just get in. Get back to the person who shared this with you. If you came across me, then click the link and get registered. You will be glad you did, and you will leave a positive mark in your family and the earth. Please click the link to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, Bill Must, for all that you do. Thank you to the CEO, Mr. Ash Mafar, and his lovely wife and family, and all the tech team and staff and all that helped. Get your shared moments back now. God bless.